These over-the-door hooks require no tools to install. They're great for towels, handbags, coats, you name it. And I love that they don't require tools. That makes them easy, and I love products that are easy. The company did send me these in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. These are powder coated, and they do come with these adhesive foam pads with just adhesive on one side. So you could put this on here like that, and this. That way every place it touches your door is protected. These have a rust-resistant white matte finish. They'll go with any decor. And if you needed, these can hold up to 50 pounds. I had to read that twice. 50 whole pounds. These will hold up. And because they are so thin, it will not interfere with your door closing. This is a great way to stay organized and is just a big overall convenience. I really like them.